Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be looking at Boxycharm, and I just want to, there you go, say something about my nails. I did them myself. I'm using this company, Kiss acrylic style. Of course the shape on these is different. I'm not like super fond of how pointy they are, but I have them in different ones that I'm going to try. They usually will last about 7 days, and they're just glue on. I'll have to do a tutorial to show you guys one time if you just want something different. I just was doing it because I just don't have the time to paint the gel polish on my nails right now, and I'm doing so much yard work that these just clean up nice. I can wash my hands and I'm good to go. They're a little longer than normal. They're medium length, but these ones are medium as well. They're the Squoval, I think. Yeah, Squoval. And then I also have this that I've already used, which is real short length. It looks just like that. It's on there. And then I have this style, which is doesn't say, medium length, but it's kind of like what I have, but just not they're not, I guess they're rounded. So I like these because it's acrylic style, so the back end where it goes onto your cuticle is like thinner, and then it gets thicker as it goes out. So, I mean, from far away, you really can't tell that they're fake. And they're fun for something different, so this is what they look like. I did an okay job, except my cuticles are super dry, but fun. All right, so let's get into the box. This is June Boxycharm. I did not peek on this one. All I did was use a knife before I came upstairs to open it up. So let's see what's in here. All right, we got Boxycharm Getaway, it says. We have Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette, Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence, Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, and Haru Haru Wonder Macai Berry Antioxidant Mask Trio Pack. So let's check it out. All right. So here's the Tarte High Performance Naturals BU Naturally, and let's see if I can open it with my nails. Ooh, there we go. All right. Oh, look at how pretty their packaging is. Always very, very pretty. Let's see. Ooh, it smells very yummy, like it's made with chocolate. I will have to check that out and see if there's cocoa in here, but I can definitely smell it. I wish I could waft it through the computer, but can't. So very pretty palette, very natural, which is the goal. And I've been doing a lot of that lately. I actually have a spot on this is my right eye that's like red and irritated, and like this morning the skin was peeling off of it, and I don't know what that's from, so that's weird. So I just wanted to look in here and see if I see vanilla, so I could definitely smell that. So maybe it's the vanilla. It smelled like cocoa to me too, but yeah. Anyways, that's that. And then this is a jelly highlighter, Steve Laurent. And let's see, this one's called Cotton Candy. And I figured I would do this. I was outside working all day today, so I figured I would do this before I get in the shower. Oh, now that feels really strange. It is jelly feeling. It's super hard to see with this lighting, but it's pretty. I'll have to try it in a makeup look, but definitely you can see where I swatched it. It does feel like jelly. It doesn't smell very good. I hate when things don't smell good. So it's pretty. Let's see it. Let's go to the lip gloss. Dominique Cosmetics, never heard of them. Cruelty free. It's made in USA. I like that. This one's called Peach Tea. It looks pretty. So let's see. I've been loving lip glosses lately for whatever reason. I've been putting them over lipstick, just using them on their own. Lemonade, it says on it. It smells good. Okay, so let's try it on. It's pretty peachy. And smells vanilla-y, which I'm okay with. It's pretty nice, not super tacky or like sticky at all. Yeah, my makeup's all over the place. So that's nice. Peach Tea is what that one's called. So I would say that's a winner. It's pretty good. And then here is the No Problem Prime Essence. Calendula flower extract. Let's see. So this lets your makeup stay a while. With this, it tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Made in Korea, so this is a Korean product. Let's see. Oh, well, it's already dripping out. Let's see what happens when I go to put it on. I can't really tell if it's got a scent, but I don't know. It does anything for my pores. My pores are pretty big. I'll have to try it when I like put on foundation. I already have my stuff on for the day, and I put, for the first time, a Kiehl's SPF 30 on my face today, and I think it did a pretty good job. I did get a little crispy working in the yard, but not too bad. All right, so I'll have to give that a go when I'm doing like a makeup look for serious, for real. And here we have the Trio Macai Berry Antioxidant Sheet Mask. It is an intensive sheet mask that works to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even-toned complexion. And there's 3 of the same thing. So, these are made in Korea as well. So that's interesting. They claim to be 100% organic, non-chlorine bleaching sheet. It's free of parabens, harmful substances. It says how to use. After cleansing, even out skin using a toner. Place the sheet on the face, except the eyes and around the mouth. Rest comfortably for 10 to 20 minutes and remove it. Let the skin absorb the remaining essence by gently patting the skin. The benefit is it helps to improve in skin brightening and wrinkles. Your girl's getting some wrinkles. Look at here, like these smile lines and my forehead, because I'm constantly using my face for stuff. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for the box. I feel like it's pretty good. I'm gonna have to give these masks a try. I'll have to use the No Problem on my face when I like do my makeup for the day to see if it makes a difference and see the lasting power of this. And then the lip gloss I feel like is a win. I'm liking that. It's very pretty. And the highlighter should be good. I can't really see it, but I feel like there. When I go to put it on, like my cheeks, it'll be good. That's what I'm feeling. And then Tarte, of course. This is nice. All right, so I guess that's it. I will see you all in my next video. I hope your summer is going well so far. This is only our 3rd day with no school, but I feel like it's already going so quick. So enjoy it. We'll see you all in my next one. Bye.